Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to compare the Realme GT2 Pro versus Realme GT device. So recently the Realme did launch the Realme GT2 Pro and a lot of users they want to know what are the actual differences between this Realme GT2 Pro against this Realme GT device. So which is right now available in the Flipkart. So that's what I'm going to demonstrate friends, comparing both phones specifications. Is it make any kind of sense to buy the Realme GT2 Pro instead of Realme GT, and what are the key differences? That's what this video is about. So first thing about the design. So you can actually look at the design of the back panel. This is how the design looks on the Realme GT2 Pro. So which is quite similar to the Realme GT Neo 2 as well on the back side panel, as you can clearly see, quite similar, right? And the Realme GT has got this type of finish on the back side. As you can see, this is how the design on the Realme GT looks like. And both phones, they do have the front camera punch holes on the same area, I mean left side of the device. So apart from that, the Realme GT2 Pro comes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, and whereas the Realme GT comes with the Snapdragon 888 processor. And Android 12 and Realme UI 3.0, and Android, right now it did upgrade to the Android 12, so you should not be worried at all regarding the software update. And UFS storage 3.1, and in the processor segment, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. That's a quite improvement when compared with the Realme GT. So next is about the display. Is there any kind of changes with the display? Yes, there is a huge change with the display, like a lot of changes. First thing, the display screen size got increased 6.7 inches, and next 2K resolution, so quad HD resolution you will be getting in the display, so that will add into more pixel density. And third, LTPO2 AMOLED panel, and that's another new technology they are trying to use with AMOLED screens. That's fantastic. So 1 billion colors, 10-bit panel the phone gonna be having. That's really great. Realme trying to implement. So 1400 nits of peak brightness. So in every angle, the Realme did improve a lot in the display. Gorilla Glass Victus production as well. So you can see the previous phone which has got 6.43 inches Super AMOLED, which is quite similar. I mean, which most of the Realme phones, they do have similar kind of specifications. For example, Realme GT Master Edition around 20,000 rupees. This phone and this phone has got same specifications with the display. There's nothing has changed even with the Realme X and Max as well. So which is quite same, but this time Realme did a lot of improvement regarding the display. That's quite acceptable. And next thing is regarding the weight. Weight of the phone is about 199 grams and 186 grams on the Realme GT device. That's the difference between both weight. That's because the Realme GT2 Pro has got 5000 mAh of battery capacity. That's also a huge bump, and 65 watts charging, which can charge in 33 minutes of time. 4000 mAh of 4500 mAh of battery capacity, which takes about 35 minutes, but my unit takes about roughly 30 minutes of time. So definitely friends, the battery segment also got improved in the Realme GT2 Pro device. That's also one bonus point we can actually see here. And both phones, they do have the under display fingerprint scanner and Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, same kind of compatibility, dual speakers, and there is 3.5mm jack in this device. There is no 3.5mm jack in the Realme GT2 Pro. That's the difference. Front camera 32 megapixel versus 16 megapixel. So camera is another huge improvement in the Realme GT2 Pro, which makes a lot of sense with the 50+50 combination and more wide angle, 150 degrees as you can clearly see, and dual LED flashlight, and 8K recording is there. So 8K recording which also present in this device, and 4K 60 FPS is also possible. So in each and every segment there is a lot of improvement in the Realme GT2 Pro device. Yes friends, with the processor, with the display, with the camera, and with the battery, that's a lot of improvements which has been done to the Realme GT2 Pro. But overall the price, so when it comes to the price, it's going to be really expensive, the Realme GT2 Pro, when compared with the Realme GT device. I think the price of the Realme GT2 Pro going to be around 50,000, 45,000, somewhere around that. We are expecting the price. And that's it friends, thank you for watching. This is a complete detailed comparison between these both phones, Realme GT2 Pro versus Realme GT device. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and meanwhile, until then, stay tuned. Bye.